meet as a county to move with your agenda of expanding Kericho town. I know that we have earmarked 1,000 acres for expansion, and already we are in the process of negotiating with the squatters so that Your Excellency will be able to get a new town of Kericho. We also look forward, Your Excellency, towards the completion of the airport. Today, I am a proud governor on behalf of these great hustlers of Kericho, that you are able also to land at Karenga Stadium, which is historical in itself and will remain in our hearts. As Kenyans would say, today we can sleep with our shoes tonight because we never imagine we can have landing in the airspace around. Our request is for station towards completion on the same. Lastly, Your Excellency, towards achieving the healthcare and towards accessible healthcare, already we have upgraded level 4 to level 5. Our ask, and I know you know these things, Your Excellency, because these things you initiated when you were minister and when you were deputy president. And this includes the constructions of the proposed level 6 for the South Rift, which I know is your agenda. This also includes the completion of Londiani Masaida Dam, and this also includes the Poster Dam, which I know in your agenda, and I don't want to elaborate on that because it is within your agenda and because you know this county, and as a father of this nation, you are familiar with the desires of our hearts in this region. Lastly, we want to say thank you for this stadium. Today we have a very beautiful stadium, and as a county we are saying thank you. Out of this, again, Your Excellency, we invite Your Grace to also consider what you began and what you have always dreamed for, the completion and the construction of Kapkatet Stadium, which is an historical ground for us. Basically, Kericho is a home of heroes, as I conclude. The first athlete to conquer the track is none other Kiblimo Rugut, who hails from this county and the son of this county. Your choice to celebrate the universal health coverage is well informed, because the word Kericho, when you remove this, when you have the prefix of it, Kerich means Kerichek, which means medicine in our language. And so your choice of Kericho is well informed because it's a county of medicine. With those few remarks, Your Excellency, let me take this humble opportunity to welcome His Excellency, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, to come and address the people who are here today. Thanks.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, Dr. William Samoei Ruto,